special program in George's Music. Together with her specialist, Miss Aisha Santo Domingo. And now we're going to proceed for the opening message. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you our Assistant Principal to Mr. Michael A. Salinas.
So as much as I wanted to say na po yung ating mga players, wala palang upuan. But anyway, so good morning pa ba, good afternoon to everyone. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence ng ating mga kahapon, ang ating school principal 4, Sir Hermes Vargas. Good afternoon, sir. To all, of course, to all the teachers po na nandito, the GLCs from grade 7 to grade 12, head teachers, master teachers, especially to the MAPE department, headed by their head teacher, Ma'am Belina B. Mercado. Without the effort of the MAPE department, without their support po, di po tayo magkakaroon ng intramurals. Okay po? To all the parents, students, syempre, friends, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our opening of our Intramurals 2025. Today marks another exciting chapter in our school as we officially open our much-awaited Intramurals with the theme, Lighting the Flame, Lifting Champions. This event is not just about winning medals or trophies, but about showing through sportsmanship, teamwork, and respect for one another. As students, this is your chance to showcase your talents and skills, not only in sport, but also in how you treat your fellow players with kindness and respect, as well as fairness. Let us remember that the real champions are those who play with honesty and a joyful heart. With every cheer, every game, and every challenge, we find new friendships and stronger bonds. Most of all, let us celebrate this day as one school community filled with energy, spirit, and unity. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to our school